A warm hello to all of you friends. Welcome to Dr. Prachiti Punde's channel where you will get to know a lot of mind skills, a lot of mind hacks to attain self-mastery and have a successful life ahead. Today's video is especially for the quarantine season because many of my friends were saying that कि प्रचिति यार हम तो बहुत बोर हो गए घर पे बैठे बैठे तू क्या करते रहती है and many of my friends are like hooked up at their homes and they are into like what to do now, what next, and why is this there. Most of the patients of mine are having depression and I am life coaching them for their depression also. So friends, first of all, let me tell you that nature has given us all a forced stop, a forced pause through this quarantine because we are forced to stay back in our homes. We are forced to take a pause in our day-to-day hectic lives of ourselves so that we can focus on our own selves. First of all, we can take care of ourselves, we can take care of our family, we can give enough time to them. There is enough amount of time with everybody where everybody is forced to connect emotionally. You must have heard of this word emotional intelligence. So I am an emotional intelligence coach, a certified coach, all to balance yourself with the nature, and that's the way the balance is going to be created so that you stay in harmony with the nature. And the harmony is most important for your well-being because if you are not in harmony with nature, then it will cause illness. So from illness to wellness, where I is replaced by we. So illness becomes wellness when you align and when you come into harmony with nature. So nature wants you to look at yourself. Nature wants you to clear out all your things in the 12 aspects and areas of life for what you have been running through and just reschedule and make that change happen. And friends, believe me, if you don't make this change happen, nature will force this change on you. So better you take the right steps right now. हमेशा अतियों में जीना पसंद करता है. इंसान हमेशा अति में जीना पसंद करता है, लेकिन निसर्ग समता प्रधान है, सृष्टि समता प्रधान है. That means there is always a balance in between you and the nature to create this harmony for your wellness. And friends, हम सोचते हैं कि हम अभी फर्स्ट स्टॉप मिलके हम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं तो हम अपने परिवार वालों को टाइम दें, हम अपने बच्चों को टाइम दें, हम हमारे काम को रीशेड्यूल करें, हम देखें कि हम लाइफ में क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या करना चाहते हैं. पर सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि क्या आपने ये सोचा कि आप खुद से कब मिले थे? क्या आपने सोचा कि हाँ, मैं खुद से कब अच्छे से मिला था और मुझे मुझसे मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो प्लीज़ फ्रेंड्स, take this time to make this journey inside. Even if you can't go out of your homes, you can still go inside you, inside your body, mind, intelligence and spirit soul. Believe me, all these four aspects are different. To accept this forced pause very positively, accept this quarantine very positively, take up some new hobby, start developing this hobby because you have enough time left where you can start a new hobby, learn a new hobby and connect with your own self. When you connect with your own self, ultimately you connect with nature, you connect with your soul and then you connect with nature. Second thing you can do is work on your physical fitness. Work on the physical fitness aspect. Take care of yourself, take care of your body because you have been running a lot in your routine day-to-day work, in socializing, in handling the people, in handling the business, in handling the clients, in all sorts of ways. You have been using this body which nature has gifted to you and which you haven't taken care of, taking a lot of stress, a lot of mental stress, physical stress. So please, I request you, second thing apart from your hobby which you can do is you should sit down, meditate, relax so that your brain relaxes. Exercise daily, exercise for whatever time you can feel, which whatever way you feel happy. While exercising, you should not torture your body. While exercising, you should feel happy, you should feel that yes, I am getting into this fitness aspect. So Please take good care of your body by doing exercise and have good and quality food, homemade food, through which you will again connect with nature, because the food also carries vibrations. So when you eat the homemade food, then your vibrational frequency will get matched to that of the nature frequency, even if not matched, because it depends on your consciousness level again. So at what consciousness level from 1 to 4 you are, according to that your vibrational frequency with the nature gets matched. So at least you can rise in your frequency if you eat homemade food, take good care of your body, exercise, meditate, and develop a new hobby to connect with your own inner happiness, blissful state, whatever hobby you are comfortable with. So please do and follow all these things for this quarantine. Stay home, stay happy, stay blessed, friends. Do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Watch my other videos for reconnecting